Why am I sitting in my truck whispering right now? Huh? Because I don't want the whole damn world to know about this crazy hack we just found using Google Docs, okay? If you got a Google account, if you got a Gmail, you got Google Docs. We found a way, if used correctly, to take advantage of three different websites using Google Docs, okay? And if used correctly, you can make $10,000 a month. I'm not kidding on this. You watch the video, you're gonna see what I mean, okay? And Google Docs is simple. This is very simple. If you can click your mouse, you can do this, okay? But this is only for the subscribers of Online Moneymaker. So if you have not subscribed yet, do it now, okay? I'm not gonna waste a bunch of time here. Let's just get into it. There's money to be made. Bose Speaker Company, the BBC Network, Netflix, TechSmith, and Simitex all use this first website. And this website is called GoTranscriptcom. And this is a transcription service. So the large companies mentioned before will hire GoTranscript.com to convert videos into text. And GoTranscript takes that work and passes it on to freelancers like you and me. Now, before you get scared and say, I don't know how to type, do not worry about that. There will be no typing involved. We have found the best hack involving Google Docs that's going to automate this whole process. And GoTranscript.com will pay you up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. That's audio or video turned into text. Now, remember, the way I'm going to show you is going to at least triple these numbers. So average earnings per month, they say 150. Let's triple that. The top earner is at 1,215. We can easily triple that. So just keep that in mind. And also, the two websites that come after this, they pay even more. So we're going from lowest paying up to highest paying, and when you combine all three of these together, and it's going to be super easy, you're going to be making a lot of money. And as you can see, GoTranscript pays you weekly right into your PayPal account, and they've got a lot of great reviews, so this is a very reliable website. So to get started with GoTranscript.com, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the home page, and you want to click on Work right here. So click on Work. And to sign up is very simple. You just enter an email address and a password, and you can even sign up with Google, which I'm going to suggest you do, because to implement this little hack I'm going to show you today, you need to have a Google account. So I would just sign up with Google, and you're going to need to enter a phone number, and they're going to send you a verification text, and you need to have a photo ID, and that's it. The second website I'm going to tell you about pays between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Now, keep in mind, these are for people that are literally typing out the videos. We are not doing that. I said before that whatever numbers these guys give you, you can pretty much bet on tripling that. So how would an extra $9,000 a month just from this website sound? And this website is called GMRtranscription.com. And like I said, this is the second highest paying one I'm going to show you. The next one pays even higher. And GMRtranscription.com is used by some juggernauts: McDonald's, Levi's, AT&T, Bed Bath & Beyond, Discover, Amazon, Chevron. Did I say Chevron already? You get the point. These guys are major. These guys are going to pass a lot of work onto you. So to get started with GMRtranscription.com, you just want to come up to Careers here at the top and click Careers, and that will take you to the little application process. And unfortunately, GMR Transcription is only hiring applicants based in the United States, but the application is very simple. Name, address, phone number, email, password, you get the point. And the third and final website that we are going to use today, I want you to pay attention to something here. These guys are going to pay you $1.10 per audio video minute, okay? But there's something else I want you to pay close attention to. If we scroll down a little further here, look at this. Know a foreign language, you can make up to $3 per minute there. So if you do know a foreign language, good for you. But if not, don't worry, because as a special surprise to you, I'm gonna also show you how to hack this one. You don't need to know any other language. I'm gonna show you how to make $3 per minute. And again, what did I say before? Whatever they're saying here, triple it, okay? So this website is called rev.com, that's rev.com. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see why they're the highest paying, because major entertainment companies are using them. Viacom, CBS, TCM, PBS, whatever. Am I repeating myself here? Just let me know if I am. Hit the like button if I'm repeating myself. So I'm sure by now you figured out that to do this you're going to need a Google account. So just go to your Google account, and right up here, these little dots right here, click that, and then all the way down here at the bottom we should find Google Docs. There it is. Click on that. We'll open that up. Okay. Now, I just want you to keep that open for a second, because I want to explain to you how these websites work. They are going to give you videos that your job is to type down what they say, transcribe them, you know? So let me show you a very, very awesome magic trick. So go ahead and open up a new document right here, okay? And then in a new tab, let's open up a video in YouTube. So I'm just gonna use this Ghost Stories video as an example, so just take a quick listen there.
As I'm putting my coat on and getting ready to step out into the morning.
Okay, let's pause that. Let's go back into Google Docs. We've opened up a new document. Here's where the magic happens. I told you didn't have to type, right? Come right here to Tools. Look at Tools, hit Tools, come down, voice typing, okay? Watch. I'm gonna go play this video again. Let's play it.
Fog. I hear heavy footsteps on the stairs, headed up to the top floor.
Record.
The house had hardwood floors, so you could hear every single step and shuffle. I initially thought, oh, my dad must have left his phone at home or something. So I walked back over to the stairs and yelled up some sort of smart-ass remark about him being forgetful. I wait for an answer.
I'm sorry, you don't have to type a damn thing. Whatever videos they send you, just play it in one tab, hit record in the other tab. You're gonna be making money all day. You don't have to know how to type. That's the point here. This is the greatest hack ever. So obviously that couldn't be any easier. But remember how rev.com, that last website I showed you, they paid you even more money to translate into a foreign language? Well, let me show you something here. Let's come back over to these dots. Come down to translate. Oh, works exactly the same way. You can translate into any language you want. I'll bet you they pay you a ton of money to transcribe it into Nepali. I'm just guessing. I'm guessing there's not a lot of people out there translating into Nepali. So you've got 3 websites that are gonna pay you to transcribe video into text. You know how to do it without typing, and now you know how to do it into any language on the planet. So if you're ready to make some money the easy way, give this video a like. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. This is Online Moneymaker. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.